Hey guys, it's Airgun Man, Glenn Elliott here, and here we are at DGS Airguns. Don Reed, DGS Airguns, Don's graphic signs. He does signs and he does ammo. But we're here for the Airguns. We got lots of ammo, guys.
Yes, I do.
All the ammo that you want, guys.
I'm here till 6 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Bye.
And there's the man of the hour. Alright, Don's got his business card holder here, and he's going to shoot these cards with the
Marauder.
Benjamin
25,
Marauder.
25 caliber Marauder.
No.
Hi, I'm Don from DGS. I just wanted to give you a rundown on the Benjamin Marauder 25 caliber. Questions have been brought up about its accuracy. Well, I'm going to put it in a rest, take out the human element, and show you how accurate it is. We're shooting at 10 yards, shooting a business card off, downrange.
Cool.
Alright, we're going to load it. We're hot. I'm going to shoot the second card from the left, from the right, excuse me, second card from the right. Took it almost all the way off. We'll finish taking it off. Close enough?
Nice. Take that next one out.
Lloyd doesn't believe he can get his taxes done for nothing, so we brought in Dr. Kapu to...
Nice.
Now I'm shooting a JSB Exact King 25 caliber Diablo, and it seems what the gun likes, right? So I shoot what the gun likes, not what I like.
What scope setup is that?
This is a leaper target. They call it a sniper scope. It has a side adjustment for a distant range, and like 10 yards, you can dial it into 10 yards, and it's got a 3 to 12 scope on it, and it's probably one of the best scopes I've ever had for clarity.